Jai student, today we are going to discuss the weightage aggregate method. In this we discuss about the three method, that is means first Lespe method, second Passe method and Fisher method. So we discuss one by one what is Lespe method, Passe method and Fisher method. In the Lespe method, the formula is here in the Lespe method, the base is the Lespe method use the base year. बेस ईयर क्वांटिटी के लिए इसको यूज करते थे, जो बेस ईयर में था उसको यूज कर रहे हैं. In other words, we can say that Lespe use the base year quantity uses for the different items. And another method is Passe method. In the Passe method, it use the current year as a base, current year for the calculation as a weight year. Here the formula is changed. So we can say that in the Lespe method, it is used as the base year as a weight, and in the Passe method, the current year is used as a weight. Now we take the example of the Lespe and Passe method. After this we can calculate the Fisher method. Let's take one example for the Lespe and Passe method. Here we can calculate the price index number. The item are given, that is item A, B, C, D and E. For the base year, the price is given for commodity A is 10, B 35, C 30, D 10 and E 40. And for that their quantity is given for A 10, B 3 and C 5, D 20 and E 2. After that we can see that the price of the current year. So here for the current year, the price for A commodity is 20 and B 40, C 20, D 8, E 40. And quantity for the current year price is 25, for the commodity B is 10 and C is 15, D is 20 and E is 5. So after that we can calculate the Lespe and Passe method. So here we can calculate the current year price into the base year price. After calculation we get all the fact and figures. So we can see that here P0 for the base year and quantity we have taken the base year. हम यहाँ पे price जो base year का लेंगे और quantity भी base year करेंगे. तो P0 here is 10 and the Q0, the first case commodity is given 10. So we can into the 10 into 10, that is 100. Like the same we can into all the item of the base year. 35 into 3. So we get the first numerical answer is 100, 105, 150, 200 and 80. After this we can add we can take the sum of these items, that is we get 635. Now again we can calculate the other item, that is P0. We can into base year and the current year quantity Q1. P0 is 10 and 25, that is 35 into 10, 30 into 15, 10 into 20, 5 into 40. So after getting this, we can again sum up of these figures. After sum up, we can get the answer 1450. Now again we can calculate current year and the quantity of the base year. So here we get the figure 240 into 3, 120, 20 into 500, 20 into 8, 160, 40 into 80. Means here we can calculate the P1 of the current year price with the quantity of the base year. So P1 into Q0. So here we get all the data 200, 120, 100, 160, 80. After adding this, we can get the answers 660. Now we can again calculate the price of the. We can calculate the price of the current year and the quantity of the current year. So after adding this, we can get the answer 1516. So all the data have been considered. The first P0 Q0 summation 635, P0 Q1 1450, P1 Q0 summation 660, and P1 Q1 1560. Now we put the value in the formula of the Lespe and Passe. In the Lespe method, we can put the value of the P0 Q0, that is summation 660, and again P0 QN 635 into 100. After calculation, we can get the answers. We can see after calculation we can get the answer 100. That is the Lespe method. Again in the Passe method, we put the value of P1 Q1, that is 1560, summations of P0 Q1, that is 450, and into 100. After calculation, this we can get the answer 107.55. That is the method of the Lespe and the Passe method. In the next video, we can discuss about the Fisher method. Thank you.